How to listen Spotify songs offline. Hello everyone, I'm Sophia from Create Login and Delete, and today I'm gonna show you guys how you will be able to listen Spotify songs offline. Just a quick note before we go any further into this video. You do need to have Spotify Premium to listen music offline or to go and download music as well. So that's something to consider. It's monthly subscription which you do have to pay, but it does mean you can go and skip tracks, and there are a ton of other benefits as well. So once you open your Spotify app, you will see the option of your library at the bottom. Click on that. Once you're here, click on the plus button at the top right corner. Then click on playlist option that will pop up. Name your playlist according to your likings. As I said, cool. So once you do that, you'll come to this page and there are options that says add to playlist. So either you can click on the plus button or you can search for the song in the search bar. I have randomly selected few songs so that I'll be able to show you how it got saved, and here it is. Whatever song I have clicked on has come over here in this playlist under cool. Now to download all this song, you will see a arrow button facing downward. Click on that. As you can see, I don't have a Spotify Premium, I'm not able to do so. But if you already have a Spotify Premium, then it will be easily available for you to download all these songs and you will be able to hear them offline. And that's it. That's how you listen to Spotify offline. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.